What starts with D?
Tiny Tales by Decode Cubes. Hi friends, I am Taashu.
Hi, I am Rivu.
Hi, I am Sia.
Hi friends, today we learned the letter D. Look friends, this is the letter D. D for dog. Look friends, this is Toro. I call him Toro Bhaiya.
D for duck. Quack quack duck. D for drum. Dum dum drum.
D dog and duck. D drum says dum dum. D drum says dum dum.
Today we learned the letter D. We will come back tomorrow with the next letter.
Stay tuned with us and follow the link and subscribe.